Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to FreeCAD Fun channel. Today I'm going to create this modeling practice, which is the rectangle solid with L profile and then the circle and also two hole. So now let's get going to FreeCAD. Now I'm going to the workbench, part design, and then create body, create sketch. Now go to the Z plane. Okay, now we are going to create the rectangle with the axis in the middle of this side. So go to rectangle, create rectangle. Okay, now for the position, this 19 from this point to this axis, 19 millimeter. Point to the horizontal axis, fixed point, and then create dimension 50 plus 19, 69 and 45. So this dimension 69. Okay, and this dimension 45. Okay, now the sketch screen. So close the sketch. Now we unhide the plan and then going to the pad for the sketch, pad. For the thickness 10 millimeter. Okay, now I'm going to reverse direction. So pads created, click OK. Now I'm going to set up the color. Try this emerald and the color this. Maybe this color. Okay, let's try to light shadow. Okay, so hide the plane, hide the shadow. Next I will create the L shape with the plane in the middle of this section. Okay, now to the exit plane. Hide unless exit plane. Hide. Okay, now click the exit plane, create sketch. Now I'm going to create the L shape. Okay, now create vertical. So let's create the dimension with length 109 minus 12, so it's about okay 101 minus 12. Create this dimension. Okay, 89. This dimension for 10 millimeter. Okay, this dimension for 10 millimeter. Okay, and then the height 75. So I'll create the geometry external and then create the dimension 75 millimeter. Okay, it's already green. So we can close the sketch. Now I'm going to create pad, and we can use the symmetric to plan with the white same with diameter. It's about 38 millimeter. Okay, value 38 millimeter. Okay, now we create the L shape again with the thickness of 10 and the radius. Okay, now go to the exit plane and then go to sketch, go to polyline, this line and create new polyline. So create the Arcus. Okay. Now let's create external geometric with this point and this point into one. Okay, now create this dimension for 10 millimeter. Okay, this dimension and this point with this point dimension of 10 millimeter. Okay, now create the external geometric and click this point, make it one. Okay, now create for this external geometry, make this point and this point into one. Okay, create this radius for 25. Okay, and then create this point tangent, delete, create the line, make this point tangent. Okay, now sketch screen. We can close the sketch. Now we're going to create the pad with the thickness of 10. Okay, now go to the pad, choose symmetric to plane and create the thickness of 10. Click OK. Now it's already created the L shape, so now we can create the cylinder. Okay, now go to this face and then create sketch. Okay, now create the geometric external, create circle, and then click this point and the axis to the fixed point, create dimension for diameter of 38. Okay, sketch screen, now close. Now let's see for the dimension, it's 12 millimeter and 30 to the back. Okay, now create this path to the front with the thickness of 12. Choose OK, and then go to the sketch, unhide, and click pad. Now go to the reverse and click thickness for 30 millimeter. Click OK. Now the cylinder is already created, so we can refine the pad. Another pad, refine. Okay, so we can refine also this pad. Okay, also this. Okay, I think it's good now. Okay, now we can create the fillet. This fillet for radius 30 and this fillet for radius 25. This radius 15 minus 10, 25 minus 10, and then 15 minus 10, radius of 5. Okay, so click this line, create fillet for 30. Okay, now create this fillet in this line for radius 25. Okay, and then for this line and use control, create fillet for 15 millimeter. Okay, and then this line for fillet 5 millimeter radius. Enter. Okay, okay, let's hide this plane. Okay, now so I'm going to create hole. Click this face and go to the sketch. Click for external geometry for the circle center point, and then create a circle with the diameter 16. Okay, now go to the constraint, value 60 millimeter. Okay, now sketch is green. Close the sketch and then create pocket For the thickness, let's choose 2 first. Okay, and then click OK. So the model almost created. For the last part, the hole in this area with the coordinate of 22, height 18 and diameter of 16. Okay, let's choose this face, create sketch, and then create a hole with the diameter of 16. Okay, now create external geometry in this line. So click this point and this point for the value of 22. Okay, and then this point with this point of circle for the vertical dimension of 18 millimeter. Okay, now sketch is green. Let's close the sketch and create pocket. For the, let's choose 2 first. I think same with the thickness. Okay, now click OK. Okay, the model of this practice is finished, created. Okay, I think it's same with the drawing. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching and see you again in the next practice. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.